Hello, little one. You're doing so well. Let's slow everything down together. Listen to this soft sound. It's steady, calm, and kind. Nothing is rushing you. Nothing is too loud. Everything feels just right. Your tummy feels relaxed. Your shoulders feel soft. Each breath feels easier than the last. If you hear small noises around you, that's okay. They can fade into the background. You are warm. You are comfortable. You are safe right here. The sound continues, like a gentle rhythm, rocking you toward rest. You don't need to stay awake. You can close your eyes now. Sleep softly, little one. This calm will stay with you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.